Ashley, and this is
Graham.
Halcombe. These are our kids, Scotland and what's your name?
McCaffrey. We are the Halcombes. I am a teacher at Loveland Junior High. I teach health class, and I coach football at Loveland High School.
And I am in sales, and we'll be traveling a lot, leaving Graham home with these two little crazy ones.
That's your mom.
We moved into our dream home this past January, and what we thought was a dream home was really the money pit. So we are really, really anxious to get sledgehammers out here and help us, please. So come in for a tour. This is our big open floor plan, which we wanted because we really like to entertain. As you can see, we have friends over here.
But every time we're in the kitchen, we have this cubicle, these walls here that don't touch the ceiling. So we'd really like to put like a hole like right there maybe. Would be good. Just knock that all down. Would be awesome. There's times where we do circles looking for each other. She'll go this way, I'll go the other way.
He's going in this way and I'm coming out that way, and we just pass each other. Plus, we have no idea what's going on with our kids every time we're in this kitchen. So let's take you on in to see. So come on in. As you see, there is a walkway through here, but here is our legit cubicle kitchen.
This is it right here.
Hey, Slay, I'm hungry. Will you toss me something to eat,
This
please?
is convenient. You're hungry? Here's a Clif Bar.
Oh, thanks.
Boom.
Appreciate it. Nice.
It's fast food. That's service.
Yeah.
We just can't see you.
Yeah, don't
Hopefully
worry
we
about
can
it.
go the
Trust me.
dog or one of the
Yeah,
kids. But there's
it's
your
not
Clif Bar.
that big. I mean, I can touch both sides of the kitchen. We got probably a 1978 refrigerator here that's rusting out.
We're on the rust
So-
over here. Door handles are falling off.
Yeah, never good. We got an oven door that sometimes comes off. To work the microwave, you got to push up like this so it keeps running, which is always fun. I'm trying to.
Our countertops are that laminate wood, and they have chunks out of them. So right here, all over, plus the old cabinets that these two don't even match. They are completely different than these. But as you see, there's not a lot of room in here when we're both in here, and we really want to knock all these walls down so you can hear the kids, but we can't see them. We can't see what they're doing, and we want to have a completely open floor plan. So from day one, we wanted to knock all these cabinets down, but we just haven't been able to do that because we paid for a mold issue in the basement. So there's no pantry, we have no room, we have cereal boxes on the countertop. It's just not what we want.
Yeah, not what
We
we
need
want.
help with this beautiful chandelier. I'll give it to you if you come to my house.
All right, let's go to my favorite room. That's where I do most of my thinking.
Graham's office.
If we could do an MTV Cribs fast forward, you know, like they do in MTV Cribs, that'd be great. All right, into the master bedroom. The master bath, like I said, is my favorite room of the house. We have carpet, which is always great in the bathroom. We have powder blue countertops. We have a sink handle here that just kind of does what it wants. It just, yeah. We'd really like to knock out this wall because the bathroom is divided, okay? So again, then we come in here. We have beautiful border that my wife has not gotten to yet. We have this mini sink here where you can wash probably your fingers and nothing else, which is always good. Then if you're sitting on the toilet here, we have this awesome bathtub. I guess I could put my feet in, get my mani-pedi on, because I look like a guy that needs a mani-pedi, for show. No, we can't take a bath right now. Then we have this wonderful shower that's probably been here since 1974, that's rusted out, molded out, and pretty gross. Yeah.
And look, we really want this knocked out. We want an open bathroom and get rid of the carpet and the flooring and maybe even give us a bathtub that we could actually fit in because this isn't doing it. This is for our kids right now and the dog apparently and mani pedis for the big guy. So, one reason we've not been able to knock down walls, we need the sledgehammer out here, is because of our basement. We'll show you the basement where we had all of our mold problems. Come on down to the other side of the house. Whoa, hello guys.
Having some issues.
Oh, Scotty's got to get in the bathtub. This is where we spent all of our money.
Real hole.
In a hole. We had mold from here all the way over, sledgehammers, all the way through our basement that we had to, what do you call it, excavate, get rid of mold.
Get rid of the mold. They ripped out half of our drywall. They got rid of the mold, and then they dug a trench.
To put a sump pump in.
Put a sump pump in. They had to rip out all the carpet.
And there went our savings of our goal to eventually do our kitchen and knock down some walls. So as you can see this basement, you can knock down any wall in here too. You knock down this wall, Scotland, our laundry room walls, and even in our fantastic gross shower that we have the handle on the opposite side of the shower. I've never seen that before. Pretty fancy. Come to the Halcombe house. You can stay here for free if you want. So we are asking for sledgehammers. So please come help us. We'll even give you this Chad Johnson frame.
Ocho Cinco. Plain in Canada, baby.
Come on to Cincinnati.
Got that for $12. Garage sale.
Whoa.
All right. Well, thank you.
Come
Again.
help us, high school sweethearts, out get our dream home. Oh, I've never been kissed before.